years, Phoenix and Taipei, Taiwan have been sister cities. And for the last 23 years, the Taipei Chinese Culture Summer Camp has been a part of that relationship. Held this year at Excellencia School, over 400 students from all over the Phoenix area attend to appreciate and learn more about the Taiwanese culture. The Taipei Summer Camp has many different activities that the kids are engaged in. I'm headed to the line dance. Come check it out. The line dance is a traditional dance that's celebrated at any event. Students also participate in many different exciting activities. Hey, come check this out. This looks like a lot of fun. The Dragon Dance is a very exciting and upbeat celebration that is held during birthdays and during the new year.
It is a celebration of bringing in all the good wishes. And the culture is basically everything like to be positive, especially for anything that's new beginning. So especially in the New Year's beginning, that we always have everything positive.
In Taiwanese culture, this is the year of the pig. Here at the Taipei Summer Camp, all of the activities require everyone to participate.
In this class, we're making like lucky spinners. We're also going to make good luck and good fortune lanterns. And the reason is we want everybody to have a hands-on experience, to be able to feel, to be able to taste, to be able to see the Chinese and Taiwan cultures.
The yo-yo is very popular in Taiwanese culture. Besides being fun, it teaches balance and coordination.
Taiwan is very famous for their yo-yo tricks. They can do hundreds and thousands of tricks. What they do is you want the student to have like mental stability, to be able to calm down, to be able to balance themselves. So we have the yo-yos.
As kids reflect back on the rare experience, they understand that learning about the different cultures can enrich their own lives.
So we want the students also learn to be positive. Like for example, if you have any like a negative thing, we want them to spin it out. So spin out all the bad, spin in the good. So be positive in everything they do.
Taipei Summer Camp is held every year. Kids have fun learning about the Taiwanese culture and traditions. If you'd like more information, visit phoenix.gov/sistercities. For Phoenix TV, I'm Dejor Sylvester.